To have a connection where we can talk for hours about anything and everything. Yeah, I love that. But what about those moments when there are no words to be said? Does our silence feel like peace? When we lock eyes from across the room, do our minds connect? Can you feel my subtle shifts in energy and know what I need without me ever having to ask? Can we rest together? And I mean truly rest, not do anything, just be, just breathe. Do you feel comfort in my presence? Like a long, deep breath of fresh air you didn't even realize you needed to take. When you think of me, do you feel your body relax, your mind fill with joy, with gratitude and excitement? Does your soul remember it's me?